Hi there, Yogi Virendra, lover of mankind, all birds, beasts, animals and plants. All have to be happy. All have to be peaceful and prosperous. All have to live in perfect harmony. Cooperating, showing affection, love, sharing all the achievements with everyone, not only mankind. Because the most dangerous creature on earth is man. Because man is greedy, he is angry, he is cynical, he is thoughtless, he is useless. One glaring example of this is in India, idiot Rahul Gandhi, an idiot, the most idiot person, Rahul Gandhi, and in China, Xi Jinping, both are good friends. There is a rumor that Rahul Gandhi has married the daughter of Xi Jinping. So both the father-in-law and the son-in-law, idiots, they are the glaring example how the world can be ruined by these thoughtless, useless fellows. But as a yogi, I believe in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole earth is our family. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, all have to be happy. And Atma Sarvhutesu, every creature is just like us. We have to love every creature, birds with animal plants. I don't hate. Please, don't think I hate Xi Jinping or Rahul Gandhi. It is they who are creating the chaos. You see, the world is in big trouble because the land grabber Xi Jinping is trying to grab every neighbor's land, creating big problem in Southeast China, and also trying to fight with India to grab the land, and alliances are with all the evils and neighbors. Rahul is totally aligned with such evil forces like Chinese regime. So dear friends, I tell you, I request even Rahul Gandhi and I request even Xi Jinping, this is not the way that we can live happily on this earth. We have all to be good friends, love each other, care for each other. That's my request. And love even the creatures, the birds, the beasts, the animal plants. They have our feelings. They should not be hurt and harmed. They have similar feelings. If somebody hit you, somebody criticized you, somebody injured you, you will start bleeding. Generate that feeling for every bird, beast, animal, plants. That's the message I want to give to the world. Love every bird, every beast, everybody. That can create a new order. That can create a really new world. Otherwise the world is in big trouble. And such jealous people will be taught good lessons. As you see, India and US, Britain, Japan, and everyone who is victim of the hegemonistic regime of this Xi Jinping is going to really destroy the Hitlerian way of living life. Calm down, Mongo. Calm down, boys. You see the beast. That is the attitude of Rahul Gandhi and his father-in-law. And here is a monk. Look at the monk. He is a saint. Tell me your world message. Sarve bhavantu sukhina. Tell me the full. Loudly.
Sarve bhavantu sukhina.
Sarve santu niramaya.
Sarve santu niramaya.
Sarvbhadrani
pasyantu.
Ma kasit dukha bhave. Asado ma sadgamya. Tamso ma jyotigamya.
Mrityo ma amrutangamaya.
And here you see there are two beastly people. One is Xi Jinping and his son-in-law Rahul Gandhi. They are conspiring to create chaos for India and they are destructive for the whole world. Dear friends, my beloved Rahul, the citizen of India by default, and my another great friend, Chinese President Xi Jinping, Lord Buddha was there in your land and China absorbed the philosophy of peace, happiness and joy and harmony. Now you rascal try to grab everybody's land, threatening America. I warn you, your days are numbered. You will not survive. All the warships of the Americans are surrounding you. And don't underestimate India. It's a big chance for India. to revenge your 1962 aggression. Bloody Chinese will not fight the wars with guns and boxing and boots. Nuclear war. We will eliminate India. You know, my best friend Donald Trump, what kind of bombs he has? Lakhs of tons of atomic bomb. One bomb dropped in Beijing. Idiots. Xi Jinping and Rahul, your son-in-law, both will be destroyed permanently. The new generation will come. Never fight. Because fighting and quarreling is not the way. I love you all. Mend your ways. I will teach you lessons. As my best friend Narendra Modi said, if you want to be peaceful, you should be the strongest, the bravest, the bold and courageous can only have a peaceful life. Otherwise, the timid like Xi Jinping and the most idiot of Indian origin, the Italian DNA, Rahul, the son-in-law of Xi Jinping, will create chaos. Don't misunderstand me. I love all of you, and I love more than human being to the creatures. Love them. Feel the heartbeat of these creatures. There has to be peace for all. Thank you.